So this print right there is a bird strike, and the other wing is over there. And as there's even little bird footprints, I don't know what exactly landed here, but I've seen this sort of strike with an owl or a hawk, and it's possible that there was a little critter. That is not body part. This is from our staghorn sumac trees over that way, but it could be what the prey species was after, because I know things eat this. It could also be if it was a crow, which footprints aren't out of alignment. Oh, there's the tail, possibly. But the footprints aren't out of size for a crow, and it's possible that he landed here to get a bit better leverage eating this, and then maybe lost it in the snow. I think the strike is a little, oh, here's another one over here. I think the strike might be a little small for a turkey. The footprints don't look big enough for a turkey either. But if anybody has any ideas, I came across this out in our field. There's also corn under here somewhere, probably, because this was a cornfield this fall, and it's possible there was some little rodent that attracted a bird or two. There's all sorts of trails. And I would follow them, but it's getting dark, it's getting cold again. And I don't really feel like standing out here following trails endlessly through either the field or our woods. But I thought everyone might like to know that. I might go onto iNaturalist and see if this print is a little clearer than the other one, and see if they can tell me, give me an idea of what type of bird they think did this. So I love my iNaturalist app. I think I'll do that now, and I will put that, if it gives me a positive ID or a likely ID, I will put that in the description.